In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free Coursera courses. First things first, let's get you set up. Go ahead and log into your Coursera account and make your way to your homepage. You'll be greeted by a dashboard featuring a variety of courses and recommendations tailored just for you. What you're looking out for are courses tagged as free. It's crucial to differentiate between these and those offering free trials. Free trials require you to provide payment details and typically only grant you access for about 7 days. Our goal is to find courses that offer full access without any charge or commitment. Once you've spotted a course with a free tag, simply click on it. You'll see the Enroll button. Click Enroll for free. Don't rush off just yet, though. In the pop-up notification, you'll notice it mentions that there won't be a certificate upon completion. This is understandably a common aspect of free courses where premium features like certificates are reserved for subscribers. But here's the fantastic part. You'll have full access to all the course materials, just like any paying student. You can watch all the videos, take part in discussions, and benefit from all the knowledge without spending a dime. If you're okay with exploring the content without obtaining a formal certificate, go ahead and click Continue. Once you've done that, Coursera will usher you into the course with a warm welcome message. From there, simply click on Start Learning. This will navigate you to the course content, and you can begin diving into lectures, assignments, and all the valuable insights the course has to offer. This method is a fantastic way to explore a range of topics, enhance your knowledge, and discover new passions, all without any financial investment. Whether you're looking to dabble in a new field, refine existing skills, or just learn something new for fun, Coursera's free courses provide an excellent platform for growth. And just like that, you've accessed a free Coursera course. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials, and hit the bell icon to ensure you're notified whenever we upload new content. Happy learning!